Hey guys, it's Steve-O here. I just wanted to make a video showing you how to do the standard 3-strand braid. I know braiding can be very intimidating to a lot of guys, but with a little bit of practice and patience, it's very simple, I assure you. So what you're going to do, you're going to take your beard and you're going to separate it into 3 different strands. Mine kind of naturally parts in 3 strands because I braid so often. So you can get your 3 strands here. Kind of knead them up a little bit. You're going to have stray hairs at the end of it, but take the time and knead it up a little bit if you can. So you're going to have your 3 strands. And when you start this, you're going to want to start about not quite halfway down, but about a quarter of the way down. You don't want to start high and tight to your skin because then you're going to have like a beard boner sticking out. So you get your 3 strands, and it's a very simple concept. You can either watch the top or you can watch the bottom, whichever works better for you. But you're going to just take one end and overlap it over the middle. And then you're going to take the opposite end, overlap it over that new middle. Very simple, right? And you're just going to continue to repeat the process. Go back to this other side now. Overlap it, the middle. Go to this side now. Overlap the middle. And you want to try to do this kind of loosely, because if you do it tight, you're going to have a very skinny braid. You're going to get more notches that way, but if you do it loosely, you'll have more of a girthier kind of beard. My beard is not that thick in general, so it's not very girthy, but you can get more girth out of it. Just continue the process. Over the middle, over the middle. You just continue this process until you can reach the very tip. You want to go as low as you can. I've been braiding for a couple of years now, but I just started getting good at it this past year. This beard is about 2 years old. So the more you practice, the better you get. Okay, I could probably get another notch or 2, but I'm just going to call that good. So you're going to take a hair tie once you finish the braid. I always use hair ties instead of rubber bands. Rubber bands aren't good for the beard. They get caught on the beard, they tug on it, pull hairs out. Overall, they're just not a good product to use. So use elastic hair ties. I think the clear actual rubber bands, the elastic rubber bands, well, not rubber, but the elastic bands, those, I think those are okay, but still, I would rather use hair ties to tie the bottom with. That's one thing you could do. Tie the bottom with a hair tie. This is how I wear it most of the time. But I just started messing around with beard beads, beard rings. So what I like doing as well is, let's take this hair tie off, putting a beard bead in there. One of these bad boys. It's got a ruin on it. I'll make an entire another video demonstrating better how to put a beard bead on. But for now, I'll just show you, just take a string, fold it, take this end right here, stick it in the hole. I hope you know how to do that. Pull it through a little bit. Put the bottom of the beard through the loop. Pull the beard bead up toward it and just pull through. And you now have a beard bead in the bottom of your braid. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I plan on making lots more videos like this as far as other different types of braids. and a lot of beard related things. Also probably do a video on about braiding your hair. I keep my hair braided for the most part. I have the kind of like a Viking undercut style. So I love to braid my hair. So I'll probably make a video about braiding. It's same as braiding a beard except for it's backwards behind your head. But I'll do a video on that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hit that like and subscribe button if you don't mind, if you enjoyed this video. And I'll see you guys later.